Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Payoneer to GCash in 2025. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account and go to withdraw, then to bank account. Step 2. Add a new bank account using your GCash link Union Bank or CIMB details. GCash allows linking to those banks for seamless transfers. Step 3. Once approved, go back to the withdraw page. Select the amount and the bank account you just added. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. Payoneer will send the money to your GCash linked bank account. Step 5. Once the bank receives the money, GCash will automatically reflect the balance in your wallet. Just keep in mind that bank approval may take to 1 to 2 or 3 business days. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.